Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off dark theme on Skype app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to turn off the dark theme on the Skype app can be useful if you prefer the default light theme or if you find the dark theme uncomfortable to use. It allows you to customize your app experience based on your personal preferences and visual comfort. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the Skype app. Well, so here, look for profile icon at the top left corner and tap on it. Okay, and here you can select the settings option. After that, choose appearance. Okay, next step, simply turn the light theme here. Lastly, click apply. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dark theme on Skype app on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.